Step into the world of efficient home maintenance and discover how a few simple actions can elevate your living environment and save you money. In this concise video, we'll unveil a range of quarterly home maintenance tasks that empower you to optimize your home's functionality, bolster security, and promote well-being. From preserving your HVAC system's efficiency to enhancing air quality and ensuring the security of your surroundings, each task carries a significant impact. Join us as we delve into these actionable strategies that contribute to a more comfortable, cost-effective, and harmonious living space. Changing HVAC filters. Clogged HVAC filters can strain your system, leading to higher utility bills. Take a moment to replace these filters regularly, not only saving on HVAC costs but also enhancing indoor air quality and reducing allergies. This simple step contributes to a healthier and more efficient living environment. Inspecting for pests. Tiny cracks can become entry points for pests. Conduct a thorough inspection around your home's perimeter for signs of ants, rodents, snakes, or nests. By identifying and addressing potential pest issues, you're safeguarding your home from infestations and maintaining a secure living space. Testing and replacing security system batteries. Some home security systems rely on batteries for backup. Ensure optimal security by testing and replacing these batteries as required by the manufacturer. This proactive measure guarantees that your security systems remain operational and effective when needed. Indoor pest inspection. Pests can surprise you by infiltrating various areas of your home. Inspect indoors for insect droppings, entry points, and signs of infestations. Don't forget to check beneath furniture for spider webs or other unwelcome presences. By addressing these issues promptly, you're promoting a healthier indoor environment. Dusting your home. Dust buildup can trigger allergies and affect indoor air quality. Dedicate time to dusting your home, including furniture and other surfaces. This simple maintenance task contributes to a cleaner and more comfortable living space, reducing the potential for respiratory issues. Cleaning dishwasher drain basket. A clogged dishwasher drain can lead to leaks and damage. Regularly clean the dishwasher drain basket, located at the bottom of the appliance, following the manufacturer's specifications. By preventing blockages, you're safeguarding your dishwasher's functionality and preventing potential water-related issues. Checking thermostat and backup battery. Maintain a balance between comfort and cost by checking your thermostat schedule. Additionally, ensure that the backup battery is functional. This task guarantees optimal energy usage and temperature control, enhancing your overall home efficiency. Listening to HVAC equipment. Abnormal sounds from your outdoor HVAC equipment could signal impending issues. Listen for unusual sounds like squeals or rattling while the system is running. Addressing these sounds promptly can help you avoid more substantial repair bills down the line. Indoor insect control. Maintain a pest-free indoor environment by utilizing indoor insect control methods. This practice not only saves you money by preventing potential infestations but also reduces your exposure to diseases carried by pests. Maintaining perimeter and removing clutter. Fortify your home's defenses against pests by maintaining its perimeter. Spray around the outside foundation to deter pests from entering and remove items near the house that might provide harborage. By creating a less attractive environment for pests, you're proactively protecting your home. And there you have it, a compilation of tasks that hold the keys to a more efficient and secure home. By dedicating a few moments to these tasks, you're not only reducing the risk of costly repairs but also elevating your quality of life. Remember, these actions are investments in your home's longevity, your family's health, and your peace of mind. Take charge today, embrace these practical steps, and watch as your home transforms into a sanctuary of comfort, safety, and savings.